Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles of Caraga Region 2, based on the authority granted to me by the National President, Eagle Nelson Alonto Sarapodi. Kindly transfer your candle to your left hand and raise your right hand and repeat after me as loud as you can. I state your name. Having consciously and freely applied to be a regular member of Magallanes Eagles Club, a club duly affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, believing in its capabilities as a self-reliant, first Philippine-born, fraternal socio-civic organization, and the capabilities of my club to carry the pursuit and ideals of the Philippine Eagles, do hereby solemnly make oath that I shall defend and uphold at all times the said Eagles Magna Carta, as well as all laws, rules and regulations duly promulgated by the Philippine Eagles and by my club. And I shall consciously uphold at all times the Eagles Delicadeza as the ultimate measures of my conduct and judgment relative to my dealings with my club, with my region, with my national fraternity, and with my fellow Eagles. So help me God. Congratulations.
Madam Chair, please read someone the light. Madam Kuya, you can now extinguish the light of the candle. Congratulations, the new members of Magallanes Eagles Club. A round of applause.